आशुतोष, हेलो आशुतोष, यू आर ऑडिबल। हेलो आशुतोष, आवाज जा रहा है? हेलो आशुतोष, so just wait, I am sharing my screen. Just wait. So here you are visible, आशुतोष। हाँ ठीक है, दिख रहा, चलो। तो नाउ फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स कंस्ट्रक्शन, इसका फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स का क्या बोल रहे हैं कि ऑप्टिकल फाइबर क्या है, पूछेगा व्हाट इज ऑप्टिकल फाइबर। उस केस में क्या बोलना है कि एन ऑप्टिकल फाइबर इज ए वेरी थिन फ्लेक्सिबल थ्रेड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपेरेंट प्लास्टिक और ग्लास in which light is transmitted through multiple total internal reflection. Multiple total internal reflection. Now, this is the construction, this is the figure of fiber optic. So it consists of a central cylinder or core surrounded by a material called cladding, which in turn is covered by a jacket. Just a minute. It is covered by a jacket. Light is transmitted within the core. The cladding keeps the light waves within the core because the refractive index of the cladding material is less than that of the core. Means refractive index of the core is greater than the refractive index of the cladding. The cladding, this cladding also provides some strength of this core. The additional jacket, this additional jacket protects the fiber from moisture. The core as well as cladding is made up of either glass or plastic. With these materials, glass or plastic, both core and cladding are made by glass or plastic. So according to these three major types of fiber are made: plastic core with plastic cladding, glass core with plastic cladding, and glass core with glass cladding. Remember this part, the core as well as cladding is made by either glass or plastic. With these materials, three major types of fiber are made. First is the plastic core, here plastic core with plastic cladding. Second is the glass core with plastic cladding. Third is the glass core with glass cladding. In the case of plastic, the core can be, this core can be polystyrene or polymethyl metaacrylate. The cladding is generally silicone or Teflon. In the case of plastic, for the case of plastic, the core is polystyrene or polymethyl heptacrylate, and the cladding is silicon or Teflon. Again, for the case of glass, both are made by silica. Core and cladding both are made by silica. Among the a small amount of boron, germanium, and phosphorus is added to change the refractive index of this fiber. Just a minute. देखो लाइट यहाँ नहीं है, अभी लाइट कटा हुआ है, 15-20 मिनट आधा घंटा हो गया, ठीक है, ऑटोमेटिक ऑफ हो जाएगा, समझ जाना कि लाइट नहीं है, ठीक है आशुतोष। करंट अभी यहाँ नहीं है, अगर ऑटोमेटिक बंद हो जाएगा मतलब समझ जाना कि करंट अभी प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ, ठीक है। हम क्लास तो ले ही रहे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। नाउ जस्ट ए मिनट रुको। हेलो, फिर से हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं। ऑप्टिकल फाइबर इज वेरी थिन, फ्लेक्सिबल thread of transparent plastic or glass in which light is transmitted through multiple total internal reflection. It consists of a central cylinder. It consists of central cylinder here or core, and it is surrounded by a layer of material called cladding, which in turn is covered by a jacket. Light is transmitted within this core. The cladding keeps the light waves within the core because the refractive index of the cladding is less than that of the core. The cladding also provides some strength to the core. The additional jacket protects the fiber from moisture. The core as well as cladding is made by either glass or plastic. With these materials, three major types of fiber are made. One is plastic core with plastic cladding. Next is glass core with plastic cladding, and last is the glass core with glass cladding. In the case of plastic, the core can be polystyrene or polymethyl electrolyte. In the case of plastic, this core is polystyrene or polymethyl metaelectrolyte, and the cladding is silicon or Teflon. And in the case of glass, both are made by core and cladding are made by silica. Among these, a small amount of boron and germanium, or phosphorus is added to change the refractive index of the fiber. Optical fiber are made in length of 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. Optical fiber are made in length of 1 kilometer. Remember this thing. It can be joined using suitable connector. Just a minute. It can be joined with suitable connector. The outer diameter range, the outer diameter of optical fiber range is 0.1 mm to 0.15 mm. Outer diameter of fiber optics is 0.1 to 0.15 millimeter. Core diameter of core, this part, diameter of this core range is 5 to 600 micrometer, and the diameter of this cladding vary from 125 to 750 micrometer. Remember these things. Length of the optical fiber is 1 kilometer and it can be joined with suitable connector. Outer diameter of optical fiber range is 0.1 to 0.15, means 0.15 mm. Here core diameter range is 5 to 600 micrometer, and diameter of this cladding vary from 125 micrometer to 750 micrometer. Now this diagram, this fiber optics construction diagram is converted into this. So here I have written here 122 750 micrometer. Now according to this diagram, you can see that here optical fiber is drawn here, and this is the one end of the optical fiber, and here another end of the optical fiber is given here, and this is the axis of the optical fiber, this line.